My guest today is Bob Carlson of Retirement Watch Newsletter, who's been a long-term financial planner and safety expert and all of those things. Welcome, Bob.
Welcome, thank you.
So IRAs, now that the stock market has done so well in the last couple of months, people are starting to see their IRAs look a little bit better than they have in the last few years. But do you have some warnings of maybe what people should not be doing with their IRAs?
Yeah, people make a lot of mistakes with their IRAs. They seem so simple when they open them, but then when they get older, they become more complicated. For example, the rollover is the most common IRA transaction, yet people make mistakes with them. Some people take money and they assume they're going to roll it over within 60 days, and then they don't. It results in big penalties. Other people, they have the custodians roll it over directly, which is usually a good idea, but they don't follow up on the paperwork, and mistakes can be made. And if you don't get those mistakes corrected quickly, then you're going to pay the price for it. So rollover is the most common transaction. It's also the most common source of mistakes. Many people also, they don't pay attention to their beneficiary forms. Your will doesn't matter. The person who inherits your IRA is the person listed on your beneficiary form. Many people haven't updated those for years or decades.
They get married, divorced, and blended families and all of those things.
There are numerous cases of IRAs being inherited by ex-spouses, deceased people, a sibling because you weren't married at the time. And the courts unanimously say whatever you put on that beneficiary form is who's ever going to inherit the IRA.
Very important. Now, what about some of the places that people think they can use their IRA money, like real estate? People sometimes do real estate in IRAs, right?
Right.
And is that a good thing or a bad thing?
Well, there's a list of prohibited transactions and prohibited investments. And real estate you can own through an IRA if you do it right. For example, you're not allowed to own debt in an IRA or have debt associated with an IRA. So if you buy real estate with cash, that's fine.
Right.
But if you do like a regular investor and buy it using a mortgage, well, then you've got a problem. You're going to have penalties and you're going to be in big trouble with the IRS. So you can own things like real estate, private companies in your IRA, but you have to do it right. You have to have expert advice and make sure you don't stumble into these penalties.
Super. Thank you for joining me, Bob.
Thank you.
And thanks for being with us on the MoneyShow.com video network.